What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today's another exciting video because we've got an install. That's right, I got some car parts in here. So we're gonna do a quick little installation video here, just updating the interior of my car a little bit. But if you can, before we start this video, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. The like button really is helping me out, guys, with pushing me up in YouTube's algorithm. So smash that like button. But anyways, let's check out and see what we're gonna put on this car. All right, guys, here it is. We got a carbon fiber dash piece for the FRS. This is a glossy carbon fiber that's going to go on the dashboard in my car. It's going to cover up the fake carbon fiber that comes on this car, and I usually don't mind that kind of stuff, but it's such a big piece, and it's something you're always looking at while you're driving. And I wish they just would have made it black or suede or leather or something, or real carbon fiber. So shout out to my mom. My mom got these for me for my birthday. Probably one of the coolest presents ever. So really, really cool. Thank you so much, Mom, for getting me this. It's gonna look really, really awesome in the car. Get you a mom that gets you carbon fiber for your 31st birthday. It's pretty cool. Anyways, we're gonna jump in the car and put it on there and see what it looks like. All right, so this is a piece we're gonna be covering up. It's not too terrible, but as you can tell, it's a fake carbon fiber. Which, like I said, usually doesn't bother me, but it's such a giant piece. And we've got the carbon fiber right here. We've got carbon fiber on my paddle shifters. Yep, if you're new to the channel, my car is automatic. You'll get over it because I love it. And we're going to cover this up, so it's gonna look a lot better. We got the new piece right here. So I kind of do like a little mock-up here. This is what it looks like, and this is what it's going to look like. So much better. I know there's a pretty bad glare, but the glossy carbon fiber is gonna look really, really good. So all I gotta do is I gotta take my phone mount off. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put that back on the carbon fiber or not, but I'll find out. And then we'll stick this on the piece. All right, got my little taped on phone mount off, so I'm gonna clean all this up. This installation is also gonna be another really, really easy one. Basically, this just comes with a few pieces of some double-sided 3M tape on the back side of this. It's really, really light, so it shouldn't fall off at all. But basically, I'm just gonna tape that back up on there, and we're gonna see what it looks like. I just thought of something kind of funny. Every time I'm washing my car, I swear one of my neighbors comes out and says, "Don't forget, mine's next." I don't know if you live in a neighborhood, does that happen to you? Do people just come out and ask you to wash your car next? I think it's kind of funny. Doesn't get old. All right, I got the tape all peeled off here. So in theory, this should just stick directly on here. So let's check it out. Taping's easy. As I said, that piece falls off. What I was trying to say is taping's easy, and unless you're filming at the same time, so still trying to get used to this kind of stuff. But this should just go right over top. And make sure it sticks on there. All right, guys, we got the carbon fiber dash piece all mounted up. I went ahead and put my phone mount back on there. It just uses some 3M tape, so it's not gonna hurt it. I already cleaned it up and made sure it looked good on there. But man, I'm really, really liking this. I know the glare is doing no justice for it, but it gives the interior a much better look, a much cleaner look. Matches all the other carbon fiber little bits I've got in here, like the paddle shifters, the little center console thing here, the clock overlay. And what I'll probably end up doing is maybe going with carbon fiber around here, carbon fiber around the bezel down here, and then make a carbon fiber piece for the top of the gauges as well. So slowly but surely we'll add those possibly to the interior of the car, kind of spice it up a little bit. And just want to talk a little bit about what I'll probably end up doing to the exterior of the car next. Like I said in past few videos, so I'll probably get some clear side markers. And one thing I really, really want to do is I'm thinking about adding a black front lip to the front of the car. So just let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think I should do to my car next? Really thinking about the front lip coming pretty soon, but I've never done any body work like that, so we'll see how it goes. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you haven't already, make sure you like this video. And I'll be at Cars and Coffee this Saturday, the first Saturday in February. So hope to see some of you guys out there. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.